audio, and I've got the study plan SAC3, so you can get that from Compass. So there's a few ways I've shown you how to learn the intervals. One way is to think of them as consonant, dissonant, and in between. So the in between ones are the minor sixth and minor third. The red ones here are the dissonant, and the green are the consonant. So let's have a look at the first question. So it's good to sing to yourself, and bum 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 bum. That will trigger your memory a bit. So it's a good idea to sing back those intervals. This one sounds consonant to me, and it sounds in between, so it sounds like a fourth or a fifth, and in fact it is a fifth. Next one. So there's a little bit of dissonance to that one. So that one does have a little bit of dissonance to it, and it's going down. It's a descending interval. And if I'm not mistaken, it's one of these middle ones. Let's have another listen. So, in fact, on second listen, it is one of the dissonant ones, and it's a close-ish one. I thought it was a minor third, but it's actually a major second. Let's keep moving. Next one. Have another listen. So this one there's a slight dissonance to it, and it is one of the orange coloured ones, and it's a minor six. So that's a tricky one. That's a descending one, so it's good idea to sing that one. So sing along with this one. So that one is quite dissonant and is a tritone or a diminished fifth. Okay, so that's a very dissonant one, and it's a bit of a leap. It sounds a bit like an octave, but it's a major 7. Okay, so that's a pleasant sounding one, a consonant one, and it's relatively close together. It's a major 3rd. Okay, so that's a descending interval, and it's a pleasant sounding one. It's actually an octave, perfect octave. Okay, so to keep practicing those ones, I suggest you go on to musictheory.net. Use this system. You'll definitely get better with it the more you practice. All right, let's have a look at these intervals. Okay, I'm going to need my little notepad for this one. We'll add in the bass clef as well. So what do we got there? We've got a D in the bass clef. Sorry, bear with me a sec. There we go. And we have a with a sharp. No. So if we count the spaces, we should have a 4th. So it's D, E, F, G. So that's a fourth. Okay. So we're working with this table here. So it's definitely a fourth. So it could be an augmented fourth, could be a perfect fourth, could be a diminished fourth. And if we go to our keyboard, it should be here, we go D. D is 0 because that's our starting note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 semitones. We go back to this one here. 6 semitone, that's a fourth. So that is an augmented fourth. All right, next one. D sharp to F sharp. Okay, D sharp to F sharp. Maybe we won't use those. We don't need it for this one. But if we go D to F sharp, you will see there's D would be a unison, E is a second, F is a third. So this is a third. So the possibilities are here: minor third, major third, augmented fourth, third. Sorry. Going down to our keyboard, we start on D sharp and we're going to F sharp. 1, 2, 3. It's not 4 because D sharp is 0, yeah? 1, 2, 3. So we go back up. So it's that one. It's not an augmented second, it's a minor third because we already said it was going to be a third. Okay, next one. C to D flat. Okay, C to D flat. They're next door neighbours, so they're going to be seconds. So it could be any of these. It could be a diminished second, a minor second, a major second, or an augmented second. Go down the bottom here. C to D flat. As you can see, they're next door neighbours as well, so they're 1 semitone. Let's see what's there for 1 semitone and a second. So we're going too far. 1 semitone has to be a minor second. That's our answer. And the last one, B flat to A flat. So that B, C, D, E, F, G, A, or line, space, line, space, line, space, line is a seventh. Again, these could be any of these highlighted ones here. But if we go to our keyboard, we'll find out.